This question is actually very tricky. Excluding stoppages, the speed of the bus is this, and including stoppages, the speed is this. For how many minutes does the bus stop per hour? Okay. Now, why I said that this is tricky, because this comparison, excluding stoppages and including stoppages, this comparison is actually considering the distance and time, assuming distance is same and only time is varying. Okay. Now question is, how many minutes does the bus stop per hour? This is how the question is. And except the speeds, we don't have any data, like distance and time, we don't have any references. Only thing is speed is given. Now this speed is, if we consider excluding stoppages, then speed is 54 kilometer per hour. Okay, and including stops, speed is 45 and unit is kilometer per hour. Okay, now here basically we have to find out the minutes that the bus is stopping per hour. Now here if we see 45 kilometer per hour and 54 kilometer per hour, so what it means, excluding stoppages, if the bus is running, it is taking 54 kilometer per hour as the speed, and the significance of this is nothing but it is covering 54 kilometers in 1 hour. 54 kilometer per hour, 54 kilometers are getting covered in 1 hour. Similarly here 45 kilometers are getting covered in 1 hour. Okay, so by taking reference of this 1 hour time is same, it is taking 54 and 45 kilometers covering, excluding and including stoppages. So difference between these two is 9 kilometer. So if we include the stoppages, the bus is actually taking 9 kilometers less. It is covering 9 kilometers less distance, right? So with the reference of these 9 kilometers, what we can do, we can consider this, because excluding stoppages the speed is 54 kilometer per hour, and question is, for how many minutes does the bus stop per hour. So if we exclude the stoppages, that is 9 kilometers, if we exclude, the speed is 54. So to calculate time, we have to calculate time. Our formula is speed is equals to distance upon time. So time will be equals to distance upon speed. Distance is 9 kilometer, speed is 54, and this is in hours. Let's convert this into minutes, and that will be 60. Now let's do the calculation. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54, 6 ones are 6, and this will be 10. So in short, it will be 10 minutes. So the bus is actually taking 10 minutes if it stops for the stoppages per hour. Per hour 10 minutes are taken extra. That's why option B is right.